We can use the flash fill tool in Excel to manipulate data without using formulas. Let's see how we can do that. Here we have a first name and last name list. Let's see how we can combine it and generate a full name list without using formula. So consider this first name, Bruce and Wayne, and I'm going to type the full name myself, Bruce Wayne, and I'm going to click the second cell and hit Control E. Now you can see the full name list is automatically generated. Now we can use the same procedure to separate first name and last name from a full name list. Let's consider this full name, Bruce Wayne, and I'm going to type the first name here, Bruce. Click the second cell, Control E to separate the first name. Same thing for the last name. I'm going to type the last name here, Wayne. Click the second cell, Control E to separate last name. Let's just say we have a date list and we want to separate the day, month, and year. So let's consider the first day, 25/12/2025. I'm going to type the day here, 25. Click the second cell, Control E to separate the days. Then same thing for the month. I'm going to type the month here. Click the second cell, Control E to separate the months from the date list. We can do the same thing for year as well. 2025. Click the second cell, Control E to separate the year from date list. Another example, we can combine a day, month, and year list to generate dates using Flashfill. So I'm going to take the first date, 25/12/2005. So I'm going to type it here, 25/12/2005. Click the second cell, Control E to generate the date list. Now we have a bunch of emails here. Let's see how we can separate the sender's name from this email list. Let's consider the first email, bruce.wayne92@gmail.com. So I'm going to type the first sender's name myself, Bruce Wayne. Click the second cell, Control E to generate the email list, sender list. Now here we have a data that's a little bit more complex. We have a bunch of tags here, and I have highlighted the tag numbers in red for you to see. Let's see how we can separate the tag numbers. So I'm going to type the first tag number myself, 1842. Click the second cell, Control E to separate the tag numbers.